All right, friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out the Peyote paddleboard here. This is an inflatable paddleboard. It's 10 feet 6 inches long. Comes with a backpack. Pretty much everything you need here. A little fin. So let's get this unboxed here. This will be completely portable. So it comes with this sweet bag here. So as you can see, it's a backpack also. So it's got a handle here. And you just throw this on your back too. Nice padding on the straps there. Okay, real quick, I just want to show everybody. There it is on the back right there. This room's actually, or this bag's actually got quite a bit more room. It's really thick, so it's just folded up in there. Show you that real quick. Got the handle right here, got another handle right here, and everything just fits in here real nice and snug. You can see how tall this bag actually is. So zip this up a little and unzip it. And we have everything right in there. You got the pump, the board, everything nice and snug in here. Still plenty of room. You could probably throw quite a bit of other stuff in there. As you can see, there's a lot more room. I might we get like 2 paddle boards in here. But nice and convenient. Let's go hit the river, shall we? All right, friends, so here we are at the river. Gonna get this all set up here. Should be fairly easy to do. There we go, just open it up there. Get our pump out. Our paddle. Like how this snaps into place there. Super nice. All right, let's get our little fin in there, shall we? That way we can just go straight pretty easily. Just put our fin right in here. Just like that. Lock it into place and screw that down. There we are. Okay, now we can inflate this. Okay, friends, well, this paddleboard is a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. My son was riding it too. He didn't stand up on it. At the time, I don't think he wanted to get wet. But after a while, I kind of got used to it a little bit. I was a little unsteady at first. And you're going to see me wreck here in a little bit. It's quite funny when I'm bringing this up. When you're docking it, the hardest part, I guess, is to like kind of dismount. So I would kind of recommend if you're getting out into the water, you just kind of kneel down first and then try to get out, because you're going to see what happens if you don't. If I try to jump off, basically. So go pretty quick on these things. The fin on the back keeps it nice and straight as you're traveling along. You only have to switch sides every 3 or 4 paddles. And there's a way to paddle, I think, so where it pretty much you can just keep it on one side the entire time. I was trying to go, this thing goes pretty fast. It is actually quite stable. So here I'm rolling in for landing here. And you're going to have a funny moment coming up. But yeah, they are a lot of fun. You can just sit down on them too. I laid down on it for quite a while, just relaxing in the river, just kind of cruising around. And with my eyes closed and laying down on this thing, it just felt like I wasn't moving at all. It was pretty neat. So here is going to be the dismount. This is pretty hilarious here. And there I go into the water. Yeah, it was an enjoyable experience there. Quite funny. And good thing the water wasn't freezing cold. It was actually a really beautiful day. So the water, I think, is about 65 degrees or so. And yeah, I had a good laugh out of that. I was like, oh my goodness. But yeah, plenty of room to lay down on. If you had 2 people, you could probably just paddle around on that too. But pretty easy to steer also, and once you get the balancing thing down, it's really not difficult at all. There was an older lady that was paddling around on another one in the river too, so a lot of fun, and I really enjoyed it. Just a nice compact thing you can put away and stash with you, and if you're going out to the lake or a river, just a nice way to paddle around. Anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. I really enjoy this. It's a nice family watercraft that's easy to put around. It takes a little time to inflate it, but other than that, everything works nicely on it. So my friends, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.